Hi, today we will be learning how to list the string variables in Stata and how to drop this. Then so we have to import the dataset first. So I have already prepared a do file for this. So you can see. So first we will import this one. You can see I should keep the windows side by side. This will be easier for you to pause my video. Okay. So now you can see here there are a lot of variables. These variables contain the string values. So thus you can see there are a lot of string values in the variable. So it is really difficult to find out the string variable within short time and drop this if your dataset is very much big. In this case, what actually we need to do, we need to use the code that contains type string. Now what we will do this right now, so we will just list down all the string variable, then we will drop in the next step. Select this one and click on that, and you will find that there are no string value. So all variables now contain the string values. So why we need to drop these string variables? Because sometimes you can find anomalies in the dataset, and in some cases you need this. It is undefined. Why we need to drop this? So now if I run this code together, we will find such types of datasets here. Now you can see here that there is no string variable. So thank you so much for watching this video.